following a recent decision by United States District Judge Lewis Kaplan. The two people who assisted former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried with his $250 million bail bond may have their identities made public next month. FinanceDoc team came up with an extensive report on this. At FinanceDoc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So, watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So, let's begin the video.